This is a 1991 Goldwing Interstate. I suppose this applies to all the models. But if you're having problems with the vacuum, of course, likely the problem is any of these vacuum hoses. And I've gone all over this bike and found no problems until I got under the carburetor. You have to pull up this little rubber mat, but you'll find this attached, this hose attached to the intake and this hose attached to the intake. I've already taken them apart, and look at the bottom of this hose. And these are, I'm sure, original. So this one didn't feel like it had a leak yet. This one did. I could blow on one end and air would come out. So I would say watch that. If you're down that far, I would go ahead and take those two off for sure and replace them. Yeah, good luck to you.